All right, we back for another video. We're gonna try to make this real quick. So we just cleaned up the deck surface, cleaned up all the pistons. Process was fast, seamless. Show you what we use. This little brush right here, got it done. Let y'all check them out real quick. Everything cleaned up real good, and like I said, it was a seamless process. It was a whole lot quicker than the first time. We cleaned up this side when we pulled the head on this side, but yeah, man, it looked good. It looked great, actually. So what we gonna do, we're gonna leave this here for right now, and shoot, the only thing to do next is we're gonna change out this alternator bracket. Try to make everything up here a little more cleaner. Got a new timer cover coming. I think I'm gonna leave that that cover, that color right there. I think I'm gonna leave it just like that. And yeah, we cleaned up the water pump. We cleaned up the tensioner. What else? We painted the valve covers. Water pump, tensioner. Yeah, man. And we got a bracket coming soon. Yeah, just trying to clean it up a little bit. We're probably gonna get a new harmonic balancer. We got headers coming soon. Yeah, we got hoses. I got replacement hoses, a couple of these, but what's it called? A gunk. Get all them hoses cleaned up. But it looked good, man. We cleaned up the deck surface, we cleaned up the pistons, and they look amazing. I'm gonna try to turn it while I'm on the camera, just so y'all can see how the pistons move. It's kind of tough to do it, but we want to try to see what's going on. All of them cleaned up, man. We cleaned them up real good. Show y'all this side. And it spin freely. Yeah, y'all lucky I can't set my phone down to show you it spin freely. The crank. Everything spin freely, man. Just tough to do it with one hand in this long extension bar. But we're making progress, man. We got the deck surface cleaned up the pistons. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna drop the heads off and wait for the parts and get back to it.